Hi guys, this is Josh Chick here, and for today's video is we're going to have the unboxing and the initial review of the Infinix Band 5 or the Infinix XBO5. Let's go! Alright guys, this is Josh here and welcome back to our channel, and for today's video is I got here the Infinix Band 5 and actually I bought it from Shopee during their 11/11 sale and it was only around $6 or that's around 300 pesos. Yes, alright, so let's unbox it guys. Actually my first time to unbox an Infinix band, so I hope that it is nice. So here is the box guys. So in front you have here the SmartBand. It also says colorful watch face. On the sides guys, so you have here the Infinix branding and the Infinix branding as well, and the code here. And at the back guys, so there's like the IP67, heart rate, sleep monitor, alarm clock, sports tracking, and many more. Okay guys, so let's open it. And okay, here it is guys. Wow, it looks nice guys, and I feel that it looks premium. Yes, and you have here the screen. Yes, and this is the strap guys. It also feels premium, although it's a little bit hard, and it has lots of holes in it, so you shouldn't have any problem even if you have a small hand guys. Alright, and at the back, so you have here the sensor and the Infinix branding. So I believe this is for the heart rate. Yes, so I will try to turn it on guys. Okay, so I think that it has a low battery, so let's charge this one first. Alright guys, so we have already charged our watch, and guys, I didn't notice that there is actually manual at the back of this white plastic here. And as you can see, the manual, it's in English. Yes, so you have all the things that you need, especially on how to download the application. Yes, so you can just read it by yourself guys. And wow, there's no Chinese here, so wow, it's pretty surprising. Oh yeah, because usually they always have the English and also the Chinese instructions. Alright guys, so now here is the watch, and guys, if you notice, there is a kind of silver plastic here on top and at the bottom, so it's kind of design. And the bottom also guys, there is a circle icon here. I think this is for when you try to browse the watch. Now let's try to turn on the watch, so just pressing this one here, the circle icon at the bottom. We have here the home screen, so you have here the battery level, yes, and also the weather, and we have here the time, yes, and also the date and your heart rate. Let's try to check the application of this watch. So we have the steps, so let's long press that one. Okay, so there's nothing because we haven't used it yet. And we have here the kilometers, yes, the distance that we walked, yes. And also we have here the kcal. Yeah, I haven't tried testing the kcal, but maybe we will try it soon. And we also have here the, of course, the heart rate. So let's check this one guys. So as you can see, the sensor is lighting there. Yeah, let's check our heart rate. Okay guys, so basically our heart rate is around 80 something. Yes, 89. Yes, and we also have here the training guys, so let's check the training. So we have the walk, running, riding, and skipping. Yes, so those are the sports mode of this watch. And we also have here the message guys, so I believe you can use this one when you try to connect this one with your smartphone. Alright, the function, so let's check the function guys. Okay, so in if you long press the function, so you have here the information of the watch. Yes. Okay, so we have here the version, and we have the reset and turn off, and find me as well, and lightness. This is kind of weird. I'm not sure if it's correct. So we have lightness, or it should be like brightness, guys. And that's it. Yes. Okay. Yes, my initial impression of this smart band, when you try to look at the watch, so it really looks premium as well. And although the strap is a little bit hard, with the price, and yeah, I got this one for around $6. So it is really reasonable. And my thought is that it's really good and it's nice for the budget, especially if you are on a tight budget, guys. Okay, so if you have any questions, guys, about this smartwatch, just comment down below. And if you like this video, guys, kindly click the thumbs up and also consider subscribing. Once again, this is Josh, and I'll see you soon. And guys, I put some pictures after this video, so you can check those pictures.